Good morning, dear students. In the sequence of preparation of JEE Mains and Advanced, we are taking very good question from the chapter Quadratic Equations. This question has been asked in JEE Mains 2021, and this question says, if alpha and beta are distinct roots, means alpha and beta are two roots of a given quadratic equation, given that they are distinct means alpha is not equal to beta, means we can say distinct roots of the equation x square plus 3 raised to power 1 by 4 x plus 3 raised to power 1 by 2 equal to 0. This is the equation, and alpha beta are given us that they are roots of this equation, and we are supposed to find the value of alpha raised to power 96 in bracket alpha raised to power 12 minus 1 plus beta raised to power 96 into beta raised to power 12 minus 1. We have to find the value of this expression, right? So it seems that there are no options. It means it was integer type question, and there will be definitely a numerical value of this expression. So to find the value of this expression, let us assume the value of this expression as p, right? So we will find the value of this expression, and we have been given alpha and beta are roots. So first of all, I have to think how can I reach at this expression. As students generally do that, alpha beta roots, so alpha plus beta is minus b by a. They generally write minus 3 raised to power 1 by 4 over 1. So that is minus 3 raised to power 1 by 4, and product of roots is alpha beta, that is c by a, that gives us 3 raised to power half, means we can write square root of 3, right? Now we have to think how to reach at this expression. So I know one more thing, that since alpha beta roots, I can write if I put x equal to alpha in this equation, then it will satisfy, means alpha square plus 3 raised to power 1 by 4 x plus 3 raised to power half will be equal to 0. I can write this because it is given that alpha is one of the root, so it will satisfy this equation, right? There is some mistake. I will write here alpha in place of x. I will write alpha here because I have put x equal to alpha. Now I will see that I can find the value of alpha raised to power 12. Alpha raised to power 12, I have to reach at this value to find this expression, because it seems that 96 is multiple of 12 and alpha 12 is required to calculate. If I divide 96 by 12, I find 12 at the 96, right? So I can say 96 is 12 into 8. So I will use this concept in calculating this expression, that I can reach at alpha raised to power 12 first. I have to reach this value. So I will write this equation as alpha square plus 3 raised to power half, means square root of 3, equal to minus of 3 raised to power 1 by 4 into alpha. I can write this equation like this. I have taken away middle part in right hand side. Now let me do squaring both sides. So when I do squaring both sides, I will write here like this. When I open this bracket, I will find alpha 4 plus 3 plus 2ab means 2 root 3 alpha square, and in right hand side minus whole square means plus 3 raised to power square means square root of 3, and it becomes alpha square. So I can see that alpha 4 plus 3 can be written as minus root 3 alpha square. Is it okay? I have reached at alpha raised to power 4, and my target is to reach at alpha raised to power 12. In next step I will say squaring both side again. I will write squaring both side again. So alpha raised to power 3 plus alpha raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 2 equal to minus root 3 alpha square raised to power 2. Let me open this bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab. I will write here alpha 4 ki power 2 means alpha raised to power 8 plus b square means 9 plus 2ab means 6 alpha raised to power 4, and at right hand side it comes out to be 3 alpha raised to power 4. So I can say alpha raised to power 8 plus 9 can be written as minus 3 times of alpha 4. Right? Now I can understand that alpha raised to power 12 can be written as alpha raised to power 8 into alpha raised to power 4. I have reached at alpha raised to power 8 and willing to reach at alpha raised to power 12. So what I have to do, I will multiply 8 alpha raised to power 8 plus 9 by alpha raised to power 4. So I will multiply both side by alpha raised to power 4. I have multiplied both side by alpha raised to power 4. So what I get, alpha raised to power 12 plus 9 times of alpha 4 equal to minus 3 times of, bases are same, powers will be added. So I got this expression, and I know that alpha raised to power 8 can be written as minus 3 alpha 4 minus 9. From this equation I can say this equation A. From this equation A I can find the value of alpha raised to power 8 as minus 3 alpha 4 minus 9. So in next step what can I do? I can write alpha raised to power 12 plus 9 times of alpha 4 equal to minus thrice of alpha 8 can be written as minus 3 alpha 4 minus 9. So let us see, I found alpha raised to power 12 plus 9 alpha raised to power 4 equal to minus minus plus 9 alpha raised to power 4 and plus 27. So I can see that alpha raised to power 12 is 27. So this is the important find. I found this equation as B. So I did calculation using that alpha is one of the root of this equation. I satisfied this putting alpha in place of x in this equation. I squared both sides, first step. Then after getting this expression I again squared both sides, and I got alpha raised to power 8 and alpha raised to power 4 expression. Then I multiplied both sides by alpha raised to power 4 here, right? And then I got an expression alpha raised to power 8, and by using this expression A I calculated value of alpha raised to power 8 in terms of a constant and in terms of alpha 4. So I put this value here, in place of alpha raised to power 8, and I got that 9 alpha 4 has been cancelled out. So I got alpha raised to power 12 as 27. Similarly I can say, because beta is also one of the solution, so I can say similarly beta raised to power 12 will be 27. So I got alpha raised to power 27 as well as beta raised to power alpha raised to power 12 as well as beta raised to power 12, both are 27. Now my question says I have to find this value. So I will write this expression P, that is alpha raised to power 96 into alpha raised to power 12 minus 1 plus beta raised to power 96 into beta raised to power 12 minus 1. This is the expression which is required to find. Alpha raised to power 96 into alpha 12 minus 1 plus beta raised to power 96 into beta 12 minus 1. And I written earlier that 96 can be written as 12 into 8. So I can write alpha raised to power 96 as alpha raised to power to the power 8. Right? So I will express it here. Now I will put the value. So therefore P comes out to be alpha raised to power 12 raised to power 8 into alpha 12 minus 1 plus beta raised to power 12 power 8 into beta power 12 minus 1. Now see what happens. Now therefore P comes out to be alpha raised to power 27. I got alpha raised to power 12 as 27 and beta raised to power 12 as 27. So I will put here 27 raised to power 8 into 27 minus 1 plus 27 raised to power 8 into 27 minus 1. I have put different values of alpha raised to power 12 as 27 and beta raised to power 12 as 27. Right? I have put these two values. Beta raised to power 12 is also 27. So I can say it becomes 27 raised to power 8 into 26 plus 27 raised to power 8 into 26. So I can say it becomes twice of 27 raised to power 8 into 26. So I can say it becomes 27 raised to power 8 into 52. So I can say 52 into 27 raised to power 8. This is the value of P. Now question can be asked like this: if in integer type P equal to 52 into 27 raised to power k, find the value of k square. So I can say, comparing this with this expression, right, k comes out to be 8. So k square will be equal to 8 square means 64. So this type of questions are generally asked in integer type of questions. So we find the value in terms of this expression and will compare and then find the value of k. Hope you find this solution significant. So keep doing such questions. Once we get difficulty in finding the solution, but as we try again and again, we will gradually be able to do different type of questions. Okay, keep sharing your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.